Hi, at the Family Massage Center, we have classes for pregnant partners, similar to a childbirth class, but so much more, in that you get to learn to do massage. And of course, to help a pregnant body to feel better, take away all the pains and discomforts of pregnancy, enjoy your pregnancy, and have someone who knows how to help you through labor and delivery. Whether it's your birth partner, could be your husband, could be your grandmother, your mother, could be your midwife, or someone else, your nurse perhaps. That's a wonderful way to connect and bond and have that plan before having the birth. And making birth so much easier and so much more comfortable is part of what we teach in the pregnancy partner massage, where every mother gets massage throughout the times and classes that we do. So please call and get in on this class. It's the best childbirth class ever.